Getting in the first reaction from the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister on this particular incident. Remember that this man who impersonated a very, very famous cardiologist in the UK is currently on the run. The man who killed 7 people. Let's get you the reaction from Chief Minister Mohan Yadav.
जो भी घटना सबकी जानकारी में है, हमारी सरकार उसके ऊपर कठोर कार्रवाई कर रही है और ये हमारी सरकार का भारत सरकार के साथ लगातार इस प्रकार की व्यवस्थाओं में आपने देखा होगा कि हमने हर एक वो कमियां या गलतियां या छिपी हुई बातें जिससे कहीं कोई चूक हो रही है उससे तुरंत त्वरित एक्शन की है और उसी का परिणाम है कि बड़ी से बड़ी कोई भी ऐसी बात होगी तो हमारी सरकार एक्शन लेने में देर नहीं देगी। ये इसी कारण से हमारी सरकार की अपनी एक साख बनी है। मैंने इस बारे में निर्देश दिए हैं कि ऐसे और भी कहीं कोई हो तो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट उनके बारे में कठोर कार्रवाई करे।
Okay, so that's the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister there, assuring all necessary steps will be taken. Let me just quickly get in an update from Amritanshi on this. So the state government, Amritanshi, taking note of this particular incident that's been reported. Sneha, I request you to stay with me. Amritanshi, even as we're seeing the Chief Minister assuring action will be taken, the reality is that that fraudster, that criminal is still out on the run. He's not been nabbed yet.
Yeah, surely, because this accused person is missing and Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has instructed Health Department to find such doctors who are doing such frauds in Madhya Pradesh, because this was the one case. We also don't know who are these people, and more doctors could be there out who are performing these kind of surgeries, who claimed to be such big surgeons, but they don't have any idea about these surgeries, and still they are playing with the lives of the people. Right now, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has instructed Health Department to check out to these kind of doctors and launch an investigation against these doctors and find out that this was the person accused. To find him, first of all, the police, he has instructed the police in this matter, and also Health Department now will be launching a probe against these officers or these doctors who are playing with the lives of the people. Also, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has said that the government is very strict in these kind of actions, and strict action will be taken against whoever will be held accountable in this whole case, whether it is the hospital, because hospital was covering these cases. There were sudden deaths. There were around 7 deaths, and hospital was not even informing the DHOs, the CMHOs. They were just covering up this whole case. A resident launched a complaint in the NHRC, and then this case came into the light. But the hospital was totally quiet on this case. So now the strict action will be taken against who will be
for what's happened, especially because some suggest that there's been an attempt to cover up also the deaths that have happened. Sneha, one quick update also from you. You were telling us about really the protocol that's followed in these particular cases. This fraudster who's managed to fool so many people, it obviously raises serious questions about our healthcare, also the kind of checks and balances that we have in place. The fact that there are 10 lakh quacks currently operating in the country, Sneha, what's being done by the government also to kind of combat this?
Well, there are steps repeatedly or regularly taken by the government to combat quackery. But remember, Akshita, this hospital was actually one that was receiving even funds from the Ayushman Bharat Yojana. So to then presume that the hospital didn't know or, brush this under the carpet or was not hand in glove with the doctor in question here is actually a little hard to believe, because if a cardiologist is carrying out cardiac surgeries of this nature, and if there are so many deaths, like I told you, it would be reason enough for the hospital to panic, because it's also a reputation of the hospital where so many surgeries are getting carried out, but the outcomes are not successful. The outcomes are not positive. But the hospital would have been alarmed, because it's the question about the reputation of the hospital as well. I can't help but think that there were people within the system also who knew that this man is a fraud, but allowed things to be carried out the way it was being done. I've also, been given to understand that this doctor here was actually also active on social media, and there were people, who knew that there was some problem that was happening vis-a-vis the doctor and the number of surgeries that he was carrying out, and that there was a reputation around him that his surgeries aren't successful. So that's what ground reports essentially indicate. I think the hospital here has some serious answering to do, taking funds from the government of India, so many deaths, one after the other, and many say that there could be actually many more, and this matter needs to be deeply investigated. How How is it the hospital allowed him to function? Were they so gullible? Were they so naive to then believe that he was a doctor from the UK, and they did not decide, to look into and to conduct an investigation in this entire matter once there were so many deaths reported under one doctor? These are questions that the hospital has to answer now. Akshita.
This has been a complete collapse of a system that's led to these 7 deaths and so tragic really for so many of those families who have gone to this man believing that he can actually save their loved ones, only for it to turn out that he is an absolute fraudster masquerading as a cardiologist, as a renowned doctor from the UK. And you can only imagine how much money he made out of this entire scam. Thanks very much, Sneha and Amritanshi. We're going to continue tracking the latest updates on that story.